Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. I never did one for long, so I'm gonna do another one. I'm doing Kelly Rowland Talk a Good Game Target Edition. Um, this came out actually in June 17. So June 17, or I think it's 18. One of those 2 days. So let's get started. So it says here. It says exclusively at Target. 2 bonus tracks includes the personal smash hit Dirty Laundry and the flirty Kiss Down Low, featuring The Dream, Wiz Khalifa, Beyonce, and Michelle Pusha T. Parental advisory plus contact. It says right here, Talk a Good Game, Deluxe Edition. In the side, it says Kelly Rowland, Talk a Good Game. So the songs are Freak, Kiss Down Low, Gone featuring Wiz Khalifa, Talk a Good Game featuring Kevin Kusum, Down on Love, Dirty Laundry, You Change featuring Beyonce and Michelle, I Remember, Red Wine, This Is Love, Street Life featuring Pusha T, Stand in Front of Me, Skywalker featuring The Dream, Put Your Name on It, #1. Then the target songs are called Feet to the Fire featuring Perel, I guess how you say it. Number 17 is Love Me Till I Die. And that's the picture. So this is how the inside looks. It says Kelly Rowland, Talk a Good Game. There's nothing in there, it's just all black. And now the booklet. Yeah. So here's the booklet. There's the back. And then here are credits for all the songs. And here are more pictures. More credits. Sorry for the glare. The light actually. And there she is. And that's it. So, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thumbs up. What is your favorite song from her new album? And I barely started buying a Kelly Rowland album, and I think this is great. I think this is the best one. So, yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10. Next review will be coming when I get Ciara. That will be coming out in July 9. I hope I get it. So, yeah, if I get it, I'll make a review of it. So, bye.